Hello and welcome to this PresetMaster tutorial. In this tutorial we'll cover the third page or tab within the PresetMaster software, which is called the Presets tab. In the previous tutorials we've created a project called PresetMaster Basics and we added two Blackmagic design hyperdecks. In this tutorial we're going to set some functions or presets for each device. When we open the Presets tab, on the right hand side we select one of the devices we've added to this project. Let's start with Hyperdeck 1. Now we can add some functions by pressing the Add Preset button. This new preset can be edited by clicking the arrow of the action box. There's a few possibilities, but let's keep it simple. We only want to use the hyperdecks for recording. So we choose Start Recording and we name this Rec. We also want to stop the recording at some point, so we create another preset for Stop Recording and name it Stop Rec. Now let's do the same for Hyperdeck 2. We create two presets, we set the functions and we name them accordingly. So in our project we now have two hyperdecks and we can tell them when to start or stop recording. But we want to start or stop both at the same time. And therefore we need to combine the functions. We do that in the Scene step. We'll explain that in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.